Hey guys, I'm Karen from Curlhouse. I'm a licensed cosmetologist specializing in natural hair and a certified trichologist. And today I am going to take you inside of Curlhouse Salon so that I can talk to you about a trim. Are you all trimming your ends? And if so, how often are you trimming your ends? But before we get started, make sure you turn on your notification and subscribe to my channel if you haven't so that you do not miss a video. This is my client, Olivia, and you can see her hair is all the way down right above her butt. So, and she's getting a trim today, and she hasn't had a trim in how long, Bernie?
2 years.
2 years. So, how much do you think we're going to cut off today? I will be back in a moment to show you just how much I cut off and why it is important to get your ends trimmed regularly. So although her hair, it has been blow dried and is straightened, so I'm just going to trim it. She is all natural and her curls are gorgeous. So this is her, I got in a little closer because I want you to see what needs to be trimmed. Can you tell me, you two, what needs to be trimmed? Can you see it? You can see right through those ends. So when you can start to see through your ends like this is an indication of exactly how much needs to be trimmed. So we're going to trim off several inches. Okay, here we go. We have trimmed her ends. I trimmed off at least 4 or 5 inches because, again, she has not had her hair trimmed in about 2 years. And if you do not trim your ends, those split ends only continue to split up higher up your hair shaft. So can we see you, Olivia? Okay, there we go. So I hope you learned something about the importance of trimming your ends. Typically, again, I recommend that you get your ends trimmed 3 to 4 times a year or once a season. In general, people ask me a lot, does trimming your hair make your hair grow faster? No, trimming your hair doesn't make your hair grow faster because your hair grows right here from the root and you trim your hair from the ends. But what trimming does, it helps you to better retain your length when you are keeping those ends clean and trimmed. If you do not trim your ends, your hair only continues, the split ends only continue to split higher and higher up the hair shaft. So if you're not trimming them, like this client, Olivia, she had to trim off 4 to 5 inches. Technically, that is not a trim. That is a haircut. But again, she hadn't had her hair trimmed in 2 years. So if you get in the habit of trimming your hair regularly, 3 or 4 times a year, you do not have to cut off that much hair. It is just an inch or less than an inch of hair. Your ends is the oldest part of your hair, it's the driest part of your hair, it's been on your head the longest, it's the most susceptible to breakage, which is also why you need to get in the habit of trimming the ends and also moisturizing your ends to keep them hydrated. So I hope you learned something. If you have not had your ends trimmed this season, get to your hair salon and get those ends trimmed so that you can maintain healthy, fabulous hair. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.